Hello, this is Mr. Marvin, and I will walk you through the simple steps in exploring the Format tab for Google Slides using your computer. Let us be familiar with Google Slides by identifying the functions and commands available on each ribbon. Below the title bar of your presentation is the ribbon. The ribbon consists of the tabs and the command buttons. The fourth tab in Google Slides is the Format tab. The Format tab keeps the command buttons for different actions. From the Format tab, the Text command button can be used to set up the text in the slide. You can set the text to bold. You can set the text to italic. You can set to underline the text. You can set the text to strike through. You can set the text to superscript. You can set the text to subscript. You can increase or decrease the font size of the text. You can change the font color of the text. You can set the color to highlight the text. You can set the text to lowercase, uppercase, or title case. From the Format tab, the Align and Indent command button can be used to set up the text alignment and indentation. You can align the text horizontally to the left, right, center, or as justified. You can adjust the indentation of the text, phrase, or sentence by increasing or decreasing it. You can align the text vertically to the top, middle, or bottom. From the Format tab, the Line Spacing command button can be used to adjust the vertical spacing of the text. You can adjust the line spacing to single space, 1.15 space, 1.5 space, or double space. You can add space before or after paragraphs. You can also customize the spacing of the text. From the Format tab, the Bullets and Numbering command button can be used to set up a list in your slides. You can choose a numbered list or a bulleted list, among others, for your slides. From the Format tab, the Table command button can be used to edit an existing table in your presentation. You can format the table by inserting additional rows or columns. You can delete rows or columns, as well as distribute rows or columns. You can also merge or unmerge the cells of your table. From the Format tab, the Clear Formatting command button cancels the formats of the text that you copied and pasted. From the Format tab, the Borders and Lines command button is used to edit the color and style of your table border. You can change the color, the weight, and the styles of your table border. From the Format tab, the Format Options command button provides additional options for tables and images, that is, size and rotation, position, and text fitting. From the Format tab, the Image command button is used to make adjustments to the images on the slides. When highlighted, the image can be cropped, replaced, or reset. You can find the next tutorial video on exploring the Slide tab for Google Slides using your computer.